Vanakkam and Namaskar. This technology is on glazed steel concrete composite system, which is a patented technology of CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center, which has been granted Indian patent as well as US patent. So the advantage of this particular system is it's particularly applicable for suddenly applied dynamic loads such as blast loads. And the advantage of this system is there is effective utilization of material as well as enhanced blast performance in terms of support rotation, and even at very high support rotation, structural integrity is maintained. That is basically the advantage, and it is cost effective as compared to similar uh, thing on the reinforced concrete. Say, for example, the same equivalent system in reinforced concrete, the support rotation, it can go up to 2 degrees of support rotation, while the glazed reinforced concrete, which is again a modified detailing of a reinforced concrete, the support rotation will be around 7 degrees. While this particular system, the support rotation goes up to 16 degrees. That is particularly the post yield thing can be exploited for blast resistance. Thank you.